Hi there. In this question, we have to solve a problem which is 5x plus 3y is equal 12, and then 2x plus 6y which is equal to 15. So you have to find the value of x and y, and we have uh, to find the value of x and y. So equation should be this, and then we have to multiply by equation 1 by 2. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So we have to find multiply by 2 from first equation. If we multiply by equation 1, so this should be and then 10x plus 6y equal to 24. Okay, and then our second equation, which is 2x plus 6y equal to 15, we have to multiply by 5. And 5 multiplied 2, which is 10x, which is same as, so we have two same one value x and y. It is your choice. Okay, 5 multiplied 6, which is 30y. 15 multiplied 5, which is 75. And now we have another equation which is 3 and 4. So we have to subtract equation 4 from 2. So our equation 4 is 10x plus 30y equal to 75, and the equation we have to subtract, which is 10x plus 6y equal to 24. Now we have to change the sign, okay, which is changed, and now we have to see that which is plus 10x, and now there is minus 10x. So this should be cut off, and 30y minus 6y, which is 24y. 75 minus 24, which would be 51, I think so. Now we have to find the y. 51 divided by 24. Now which table should going through these two values, 51 or 24? I know that which is 3, 8. 3 is multiple of 8, which is 24. And how much 51? 51 which is I think so, which is 17. So y is 17 by 8. So we have find our y. Now we have to put our value to find the x. So you should choose in both equations, and you would like to. I should choose one equation, first equation, which is 5x plus 3, and you have to put the value of y on that place, okay, in y place, which is 17 by 8 equal to 12. Then 5x is as it is, and 3 multiplies 17. 3 multiplies 17, which is we know that 51, and divide 8, and this is 12. 5x is as it is, and 12 is on other side, and 51 by 8. 8 come to the second place, and then 51 by 8. is on divider. Then we have to find the LCM of two equations. 8 multiplied 12 which is equal to 96. 1 multiplied 51 which is 51, and then 5x. 96 minus 51 which is, I think so, 25 by 8. And then we have to find x, so we divide by 5 on both sides. Then 5 should cancel, and then this 5 should cancel from 25. So our x is 5 by 8. So where this equation is applicable, suppose you have to find the price of fruits. We have two fruits. X should be our apples and Y should be our bananas, and there are 5 apples and 3 bananas, and the total cost is 12. Okay, example, 3 apples plus 3 bananas, 5 apples or 3 bananas, which total cost is 12. And then you have second type, in which 2 apples plus 6 bananas, which is $15. Okay, and you have to find the value of apples and bananas. So this equation should use to find the value of our apples and bananas. So our apple should be 5 by 8, which should be equal to how much each apple should we buy, which is each apple should have 0.625 cost. Okay, and our banana cost should be 2.125. Our banana cost is 2.125 each banana. Okay, and which is each apple.